Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make what I'm calling a vitamin C and T flu shot. Yes, a vitamin C and T, like tea you drink hot, flu shot. Okay? And I've always made this, and don't ask me why I didn't think about introducing this to you sooner. But here I am, better late than never. Okay, so you know how you have the cold or the flu, or you feel it coming on. You may have mucus in your chest area, or you can't breathe, or whatever the way that the cold or flu affects you. You feel just down. Okay, well this will help open up all of those airways in your and break up the phlegm in your chest and all of that stuff. And so you can drink this hot or cold. I would prefer to suggest to you to drink it hot, but I know some kids may not drink it hot. So that's why I say hot or cold, as long as you get it in you. So I'm going to introduce you to the products that we're going to use. And then we're going to let that boil on the stove for an hour. And then I'm going to strain everything 2 times and show you how to sweeten that up if that's your choice. Okay? Alright, so let's get started. Get the thumbs up there now if you like. I want to appeal to all those who have not subscribed. What are you waiting on? Okay, if you like what you see, show me by hitting that subscribe button. I want to welcome you to the family with open arms. And any questions you have, I'm always open to answering your questions. Hit that like button if you like it, share the video, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. In addition to that, I have some links below if you would like to donate to help the support of this channel. I appreciate it. And my appeal straight out to Roger. Roger, thank you for your donation the other day. I really appreciate that. That's going to go towards my new camera. Thank you. Okay? Alright, let's get started, shall we? Okay, you can see I have a lot going on the table. So the first thing we want to add is vitamin C. So we're going to add some oranges. This is 2 oranges that I cut up. How you cut it up, it doesn't matter, because all you want really is for the juice to boil out to mix in with the tea mixture. Okay? So we're going to put that in. 1 lemon, because I have some liquid lemon juice that I'm going to add. Let me add that now. Lemon juice. This is 100% lemon juice. So we're going to pour that in, counting to 1, 2, 3. Okay? And let me make sure you can see my pot clearly. There we go. Alright, we're good. 1, 2, 3. That lemon is going to break up all the cold and phlegm that's trying to build up in your chest. Okay, I have 2 limes cut up. Vitamin C. Now I cut up 3 apples. 3 apples, okay? Doesn't matter how you cut it up. It's soaking in some lemon juice and water. I'm just going to pour that in since we're already working with lemon juice. Okay, now I have apple cider vinegar. Bragg's apple cider vinegar. This is an old remedy, guys. Okay, we're going to count to 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, now I have a bunch of tea. It doesn't matter what kind of tea you use, okay? That's entirely up to you. But try to use a variety so that you can get the benefits from each kind, okay? So I'm going to put 2 tea bags in this pot from each container. So guava, you know there's a fruit called guava. So I'm going to put these 2 in. So I'm just going to put the tea bags right here on the counter until I get them all out, and then I'll open them and put them in all at once. Artichoke, 2 of these. Peppermint tea, 2 bags. Sangria Zinger, Sangria Zinger, Zinger, Zinger. Can't pronounce it, but that's what we're going to use. Let me show you the box, that way you'll know what I'm using. Okay, I'll put two of the sangria in there. Green tea. Two bags. Okay, I have to open this one. Apple cranberry. Turmeric. Two of those. Chamomile. Gotta open this. Chamomile, pomegranate cherry, okay, so you can see I have a lot of tea here, okay? So I'm going to suggest that you use at least nothing shorter than a dozen tea bags, if not more, okay? So I'm taking it out the package, and the little piece here that tells you what kind of tea it is, I'm going to take that off. So all I'm left with is the tea bag and the string. I'm going to put that in. So that's the process that I'm going to use for that. So let me get all the tea bags in there, and then I'll bring you back and show you and continue on. Thank you. Okay, guys, I got all the tea bags in there, see, and the fruit. Now we're going to add cinnamon. Lots of cinnamon. That's probably about 8 tablespoons. Okay. And now our honey. I'm going to count to 3 slowly. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm going to fill the water up in this pan up to about here, 3/4 the way, because it's going to boil and you don't want it to go all over on your stove, okay? Alright, and then after I do that, I'm going to put it on the stove. I'm going to let it cook for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. We want to watch and see the color of the broth. I mean, not the broth, of the liquid. So if it's a nice dark color, it's not going to be like real black, but medium color, then we know that all the tea have extracted out and the apples and the fruit have cooked down, okay? Alright, so I'll see you in an hour. Thank you. Okay guys, so our citrus fruit and tea with the vinegar and what else I have in there, honey, all to help with the cold and the flu in this season that we're going through, is done. It has been boiling for an hour and a half, not an hour, an hour and a half. I just wanted to update you on that. So I'm going to pour it through this colander, and then after I pour it through that colander, I'm going to pour it through a fine strainer. Okay, I'll show you that. Alright, so let me do that and bring you back and show you the tea. I'm going to pour it through the colander first. Okay. Okay guys, so let me pour this off. Okay. This is what it looks like once you put it through the strainer. So this is the first colander strainer that I put it through, right? And then I followed up and strained it again with this very fine strainer. Okay, and that made it nice and clear. It got everything out. The only thing is left is the liquids. So here you see how much we yield. Alright, so it's hot. So while it's hot, now you want to add your sweetener. You can leave it as is. If you don't use any sweetener in your drinks, that's fine. If you want regular sugar, you can put that in. If you want to do honey, you can put that in. I am going to add, this is sugar-free, which means it has a sugar substitute. This is apple. I call it Kool-Aid. That's what it is. And this is lemon. This is iced tea with lemon. So lemon iced tea. So I'm going to put one package of each into each one of these. No, that might be too much. I'm going to put one package in each one, okay? So let me show you the package. This is the package here. So this is the lemon iced tea. And this is, says you get, this is 0.23. So each one of these is 0.23. So I'm going to put the lemon iced tea in this one to my left. Remember, we already have some honey in there. And then this one here, I'm going to add the apple Kool-Aid, which is sugar-free. Apple. Okay, put one of these in the one to my right. Okay, now I'm going to mix that up. Okay, now I'll mix this one up. Okay, and that's all I'm going to add to that, guys. I'm going to let it sit out for about maybe 2 hours to get nice and cool, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator. Let me give you the word of the day. Oh, my camera, do you see it go down? Okay, the word of the day is be strong, guys. Hang in there. This infection that's going nationwide on us is almost to the point where we can get out. Okay, so just hang in there for me, please. That's the word of the day. Hang in there. That's a powerful word. Hang in there, guys. Okay, talk to you soon. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Now remember, you make this, you keep it in your refrigerator. You can drink it daily if you like, or you can just drink it when you feel like you have a cold coming on, or if you want to stay ahead of things. I would drink that twice a day to stay ahead of things, so that you don't come down with any cold or the flu or the sickness or that plague that's going around nationwide around us. Okay? Alright, this is Grandma Ray. I love you. Check out my links below if you would like to support this channel in any way. And please, for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe. Consider that. Okay? Alright, talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Thumbs up.